Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to be finding the mean of home runs per season that my favorite baseball team, the Toronto Blue Jays, have hit each year from 2010 to 2019. So the first step in finding the mean is we have to add each one of these values in the data set up. And when we do that, we find that it comes to 2,142. Our next step is to divide by the total number of values in the set. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we divide this number by 10. And feel free to use a calculator on this next step if you need. But when we divide this, we end up getting 214.2. And that is our mean. And what that means is that on average, the Toronto Blue Jays hit 214.2 home runs per year. So we would round that down and we would say that they hit around 214 home runs per season.